In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Elementor to your WordPress site. Elementor is a powerful page builder that allows you to create stunning and responsive website layouts without having to write a single line of code. If you're looking to enhance your website with beautifully crafted pages, this tool is definitely for you. So, let's dive right into the process of installing Elementor, which is a straightforward and user-friendly task. First things first, you need to log into your WordPress dashboard. You can easily do this by typing your website URL into your browser, followed by / and WP admin. Enter your login credentials, and you'll be ushered into the WordPress admin area. Once you're on your dashboard, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen, where you'll see a variety of options. Here, we're interested in the one labeled Plugins. Hover over it, and you'll notice a cascading menu. From this menu, click on Add New. This will take you to the plugin installation page, which is your gateway to thousands of free plugins available to WordPress users. Now at the top right corner of this page, you'll see a search bar. This is where you want to type in Elementor Website Builder. As you begin typing, WordPress will start fetching the best matches for your query. Just give it a moment. Soon enough, Elementor will appear as the first option, ready for installation. Once you've located Elementor in the search results, you'll see an Install Now button right beside it. Go ahead and click that when you're ready. What happens now is WordPress downloads the necessary files for Elementor and sets them up on your website. This process shouldn't take too long, so just hold tight for a few moments until the button changes. When the installation is complete, that button will change to Activate. Click on Activate to turn on the plugin. By activating Elementor, you're sending signals to WordPress that the plugin is ready for use on your site. And with that, Elementor is now installed and fully active on your WordPress site. To check that everything is working correctly, head over to any of your pages or posts. Here you should notice a new button labeled Edit with Elementor. This button is your gateway to utilizing all of Elementor's powerful features. Clicking it will launch the Elementor editor, where creativity knows no bounds. There you have it. Adding Elementor to your WordPress site is simple, yet it opens up a world of design possibilities. Whether you're running a blog, a business site, or an e-commerce store, Elementor can transform the way you create pages. Enjoy exploring its features, and start building the stunning web pages you've always dreamed of effortlessly.